In today's video, I will show you how to make your laptop don't go to sleep, hibernate, or power off when you close the lid. Time is money, and I won't take your time anymore, so let's go straight to the method. Click on Start and type Control Panel and select it up here. If your icons are not arranged like this, click up here next to View By and select Large Icons. Here, find Power Options and select it. On the left side, you will have this option, Choose what closing the lid does, so click on it. You can choose lid behavior when your laptop is on battery and when it's plugged in. Next to When I close the lid, under On Battery click here, and from drop-down menu select Do Nothing. Now do the same under Plugged In option. Of course, you can always choose that your laptop goes sleep, hibernate or shut down when it's on battery if you want, and only leave it to do nothing when it's plugged in. You can combine any of these settings as you prefer. To make it to do nothing in both options, select Do Nothing under both. When you are done, click down here on Save Changes, and that's it. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and consider to subscribe to my channel for more useful videos. If you want to buy me a cup of coffee, you can hit that thanks button. Until next video, stay safe and I see you all.